Hi friends, I hope you all are doing fine. So today in this video we will going to publish our app that is birthday wishes like that we have been generated with the Android Studio, and we will going to publish. As you can see, these are the screenshots of our app, that the wishes, how we can able to do the description, family, friends and everything. So this is the wishes, birthday wishes like that, and it kind of a app. So we already been taken all the info here. This is an info of our app and email id and package name we already been taken. So here is a play console. So here we already published one app, so we will going to publish one more app. So just create it. If you feel any problem or any difficulty, you can see our previous videos also. So just copy the app name and package name here, and check the availability. If it is available, it's fine. Otherwise you need to change the package and accept. If anything is missing, just you can pause it and you can watch in the video step by step. It's been loading. While it's been loading, let me tell you, if you require the DUNS number, you can contact to us. If you need the 12 tester service, you can contact to us. If you are facing any problem while your app is been publishing, you can contact to us. Okay, so this is an organization account, so here we does not require the 12 tester services like that. Just setup here. We need to go to setup and add a privacy link. So I build the privacy link also here, so just paste it and save it. Just go back and sign up information. There is no required of the signing information, so just click it as a no. If you have, just do it as, and need to fill all the information. Ads, of course, it's content the ads. AdMob ads has been contact here. And content rating, of course, we need to write the content rating to the mail, official mail. The play console mail, we need to write it here. Just all and agree. mm, just save it and next. Okay, go back. And targeting audience, of course, it's 18 plus only, we will going to keep it. Just go back. And data safety, I have a old data safety, so I will going to use that only. Download. Here is a no option of importing any images like that, so I don't want to keep those things, so just do it next. So here these things I will going to remove, as it does not require any photo or anything. Just do it next and save it. Make sure your private policies match with your present policy. Okay, then government app, no, it's not in a government app. Just save it, just go back. And financial, no, it's not contain any financial, because it's a wishing app. It's a birthday wishing, anniversary wishing, that kind of a application, so that's the reason. Just go back. Yes, it's contain the ads, because we use the ad mob for making a revenue. Okay, save it and go back. It's a health related, no, it's not in a health related app. Sorry, my back has been paining a lot, so that's the reason I'm not stable in the one video call. Sometime I'll go up and down, because it's making really bad for my health. While almost I will been screening on my PC, so that's the reason I got a back neck problem also. What is, I think I'm getting old now, but I hope nothing will good, nothing happens. So for this kind of a thing, what the category I need to make it, personalization, it's good. I think it's a good personalization, because we're going to make our personalization wishes. So I will just search in the search is not there, so I will just use the entertainment I will use it, and personalization I will use it. So here is a thing, color banner, color line, emotional entertainment, It's jokes also we can able to keep it. Personalization, prank, ringtone, themes, basically things are there. So I will just click few only, and the email ID, and just save it. To be honest, my throat is really paining a lot. While I'm saying due to the cold, it's been paining, and for the head, I'm not able to make it straight also here. And short description, we need to paste our short description here. It's a 88 character. We need to have only 80 characters. So long description. Okay. And app logo. App logo. Usually I use a most fast forward thing, but for making a videos I'm taking a time. Otherwise, within a 2 to 3 minutes I will going to publish my ad. It's going to take upload time only. That's it. Just crop the logo. Oh, I think I need to crop more. Here is a crop. Just save it. So this new one crop is okay. I'll remove that and I will add it. And feature screen I have been added here. See, still it's my neck has been paining, but also I've tried to make it as soon as possible for you people. And noise screenshots. I think I have taken the stable screenshots. It's fine. It's a 4 screenshots are the fine, but you can upload the 8 screenshots here. But make sure when you are been first time you are uploading the app, make sure your main screenshot you have to be uploaded, main app screenshot. After it's getting live, then you can able to change your customized screenshots like that. So first make sure while it's getting approved, you need to upload the real screenshots only of your app, so the Google can able to approve as soon as possible. Okay, so the main parts has been completed. Now go to the dashboard. Now it's a organization account known required of the 12 tester services here. So just select countries, add a countries, click it all, then create a release, then upload the ABB file here. And while it's been getting upload, I will write the small description here as app release. So while it's been getting a upload, whoever requires 12 tester services or DUNS number or any kind of a service, app development, website development, any kind of a apps you want build or any kind of a services you require, please contact to us to our number 7989860888. You can contact to us if you have any doubt. Also you can able to WhatsApp to us. You can feel free to contact to us. We will not going to charge for you to contact to us. We will give you the reasonable price for any services you have been taking. And you have any kind of a project or any kind of a idea, please let us know. We'll going to work out on you. If you feel really good, then we can go ahead with that, and we'll going to give the business offer also for you. Who has an idea, please they can contact to us, so we can able to make, as you say, we're going to make the app based on that. And if it is really work out, we're going to make it a share on that, based on your idea. We're going to give the share on that. So base, please share us your ideas also. Based on that, we can able to build the application also. So it has been uploaded. Next, it says that disclaimer of advertisement. Okay, this is we can upload it. So here just turn off here, just click it and save it, then go back. So just you need to go to here, people will get a panic, nothing to worry. Go on the production, release, just edit. So it has been draft, so just go next. So there is no error, here is a 3 error, that is a disclaimer, that's it. It's save it, just go on overview, submit the changes for a review, so just submit it. So if you go to the dashboard, all steps has been done, only this is the way publishing is going to activated when your app is live. So go back to all apps, it's showing as a under review. If it is not showing under review, still is not review, just refresh the page and you can see there is a in review. So like that your app will be going to publish. If you have any doubt or anything, please contact to us. If you need 12 tester service or DUNS number, please contact to us. And if you like our video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Please share with your colleagues also. Thank you so much.